In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a search on Realtor.com. We'll start right from your browser and finish with a saved search you can return to anytime. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Realtor.com and press Enter. You'll likely see a few results, but look for the official domain that clearly reads Realtor.com. This helps you land on the correct site and avoid any lookalikes. Click that result to head to the homepage. Once you're on the site, you may be prompted to log in. Go ahead and sign in if you see that prompt. Being signed in is important because saving a search ties it to your account, so you can access it later from any device. If you're already signed in, you might notice an account icon at the top of the page, and you can continue without interruption. Now, in the large search bar at the center or top of the homepage, type your target city, zip code, or neighborhood. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. Picking one of those can make sure you're selecting the precise area you want. Press Enter to load the results page. Next, refine those results so they reflect exactly what you're looking for. At the top of the page, you'll see filters you can apply, such as price range, property type, and minimum bedrooms. Adjust the price range to fit your budget, choose the property type that suits your plans, like single-family homes or condos, and set the minimum number of bedrooms you need. Each filter you set narrows the list and makes it more relevant. If you find the list getting too short, ease off a filter or two until you're seeing a good selection. With your criteria in place, it's time to save the search. Look for the Save Search control near the search bar at the top of your results. It may appear as a heart icon or as a clearly labeled button. Click it once. You should see a quick confirmation on the page indicating that your search is saved. From now on, this set of criteria, your location, and the filters you chose will be stored with your account so you can revisit it easily without re-entering everything. And that's all there is to it. Open your browser and find Realtor.com. Click the official link, log in if prompted, enter your location, apply your preferred filters, and click Save Search. The next time you return, your saved search will be ready to help you pick up right where you left off.